Are you kidding me? Okay, sup guys? As you can see, my car wouldn't start. I tried a few times and all I hear is a clicking sound, and this is very unexpected. I think it could possibly be my own fault where I plug in an aftermarket device into the car and I forgot to unplug it. So now it could have drained my battery, and to be honest, this battery that I have right now, it's not really the perfect condition. It's been 4 years already and I don't think it's holding charges that well. And now due to the aftermarket device that I had it in the car for a few hours, it could have possibly drained the battery and now it's all dead and I cannot start. So I guess that now I just need to go get a new battery. Damn. Alright guys, I'll see you now. South African way, now. And I'm back. So we shall be on our way to get the new battery. That should be an interesting thing because this is the first time that I ever had to change my car's battery. Never had this problem before or any experience in regards to buying a battery. So I did some research online and then I asked the friends in the car group for their opinions in which brand to get, and then in the end I guess I'm going with you shall see. I'll let you guys know now. We at the battery place, so let's take you through. And here we are at the Sabat Battery Express to get my new battery. Let's take you through. Hi. So this is the battery. Alright. 643, and then this one is 622. My battery holds how many amps of power?
This one is 48 amp hours.
48.
Whereas this one is 55, and this one is also 55.
Also 55. Because I did my research online with my friends and they recommend me to get the 643. But he also mentioned to get the what you call it, the low terminal charge thingy for it. So I'm not sure what is he talking about.
Okay, low terminal charge.
Yeah.
This is stronger than two batteries. They're both 55 amp hours, but this one is, if you look here, it's 415 in terms of cold cranking amps, whereas this is only 400. So it's actually a slightly stronger battery. So things like air conditioning, it's more suited for those kind of purposes.
Okay, now we're gonna check my battery and see if it's really dead or not. If it's really dead, then I guess we have to go ahead and get the new battery now.
You can see the battery this size. It should be drawing, say, about at least 120, 130 amp hours. And in doing so, it shouldn't drop below 12 volts. And there, I can't even draw 120 amp hours.
Okay,
it's
so
dropping well below the 12 volts required. So,
and would you recommend like recharging the battery and let it keep on using it?
It's always good to recharge the battery first, make sure that the battery is in fact faulty. But as it is right now, the way it's dropping looks like it's got a dead cell, and as they suggest, the battery's dead, so it'll have to be replaced, unfortunately.
Okay, well, alright. That's sad. So we're gonna do like a comparison. As you see just now with my battery, it's dead. And now this gentleman here will try and use a brand new one and see the comparison between a healthy one and a dead one.
So I'm drawing about at least 110, 120 amps, close on 30, and it's drawing at 12 volts. So
okay. So the 643 is slightly lower, and yeah, it should fit in regards to the size and the dimensions and stuff. Okay,
it's identical in terms of length and width.
That's awesome. Alright, let's get that one. Here we are, we got our new battery. It's quite heavy, but it felt slightly lighter than the one that I had, so let's give it a shot. That was very interesting and very quick as well, and we on our way home to get the new battery fitted to the car. Let's revive her, yay. And yeah, fingers crossed that it's just the battery that's not starting the car. If it's something else, okay, fingers crossed, touch wood, wherever the wood is, let's just really hope it's just the battery that's causing the car not starting and not anything else. This is the moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. It is the battery. Thank goodness. Oh, let me close the door. There we go. Much quieter. Yes, it is the battery, and yeah, fantastic. So yeah guys, it is the battery and the car is up and running now, as you can hear from my beautiful sexy exhaust noise. Anyways, I think I might have to go back and secure the battery. I think I forgot to do that step, so I'm gonna secure it. And yeah, fantastic. Thank you guys for following my channel, and please remember to subscribe and like the video, please. See you next time.